be exact, but I'm going to double it. So for every cup of the dried, I'm going to put 2 cups of water. If it was frozen, so say I was using 3 cups fresh elderberry, I would put 1 cup water because the
Only
berries.
One?
Well, 1 cup per. Yeah, so
scoop
3 cups water, 3 cups frozen, because the water content in the frozen berries is pretty great. I'm gonna turn this on high. I'm gonna have it on the down there because the cord's not long. And then let's just put this in a while. I'm gonna add a few other things, but I want to get it going.
So for the dried, it was 1 to 2 cups.
Yep.
And for frozen.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna have that going, and we'll come back to the recipe. So let's have tea first. So I made, it's passion flower, licorice root, and dandelion flowers that I dried this summer.
It's gonna help you sleep.
Yeah, it should. Passion flower, very, very relaxing. And the licorice is sweet, so I think that'll be our sweetener. I'm gonna give you a napkin. Have you had passion flower, anyone?
No.
Do you know what it looks like?
Isn't it pink?
Let me find a picture. It's so amazing. There is pink in it. It's this like curly cube flower. Really cool. I hope it's in here.
So this tea would be good for what? Calming your nerves?
Yeah,
or-
calming nerves. The passion, but it has a couple purposes.
Mhm.
Licorice root is relaxing to the body because it supports the adrenal glands. Dandelion is, I put that in for the liver because you always want to help your liver, especially this time of year with eating really rich foods. So this is the flower. It is so neat.
It is pretty. Oh yeah.
I like that. How big? is it?
Like
that.
like the size of your hand. I'm gonna.
Oh, it's big? Like
It is big. Yeah.
Very nice. It's beautiful.
And
I can see it.
when you get it dried, it has those little curly cues. Like the petals like curl. It's a neat plant. So passion flower, let me just see what it has here. I love the herbs that say hysteria. They're used for hysteria. This one, hysteria. Because I've needed nervines. Like heavy nervines. I'll tell you a little secret. And sorry, when I film, I feel like I don't talk I talk louder and not as personable as when it's off, but I want to film a little bit. So, if you look on your fingers, you should have moons at the base.
Oh yeah, on your nails.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I don't have any. I have like barely any on my thumbs. I've never had moons. It's indicative of B vitamins and the nervous system. And when people who have like really healthy looking moons really are typically rather, their nervous system's strong, their liver's strong. It can also mean that your liver didn't produce all the B vitamins you need. So you're like I always had allergies and rashes and eczema when I was growing up. So I think my liver was toxic, like from birth. My mom had a miscarriage before me, and she had really bad drug reactions, and anaphylactic shock.
Oh.
Which I probably would cut that out. Let me just cut